Can you hear me, Delhi? I want to hear you scream for Varun Dhawan. Who likes Varun Dhawan? Come on, give it up. Yes, yes, yes. He's here. He's here. This is not going to cut it. Come on, make some noise for Varun Dhawan. Come on. Okay, let me hear it for Badlapur. Who likes Badlapur? Varun Dhawan, welcome to the capital. Let me hear you scream one more time for Varun Dhawan. Come on, make some noise. What's up, Delhi? Firstly, let me just tell you, there's no warm-up. Okay, we're just going to get into the questions now.
Okay, come on, let's go for it.
We divided this session into 3 parts. The art of loving, the art of loving, the art of fitness, and the art of dancing. So starting with love, everybody's favorite topic. Varun?
You know, before we go ahead, I just want to say I was so nervous before coming here because it's like India Today, Mind Rocks. I just saw Mr. Bachchan outside over there, Sujit Sarkar. So I'm like, dude, this is like going to be like really intelligent, and they're going to ask me, I'm going to get like really nervous. What do I say? I'm following up after Mr. Bachchan. But I can see a lot of school kids here. So now I know that this is my house. So I'm not very worried now. Thank you guys. I love you all, honestly. Love you guys.
Well, this is Mind Rocks, and we're going to rock it till the wheels fall off. But as I said, art of loving first.
Art of loving.
Art of loving. Love Guru Varun Dhawan. Varun, first of all, your first kiss. One second. Who, when, where, how?
Okay, I'm not going to name the girl.
Excuse me.
Because, I mean, you should never kiss and tell. But it was, I was, I think, 13 years old.
13 years old.
I'm saying like a proper kiss, like a French kiss, like a proper, like all out there. So it was in the back of her building, and for some reason I had behaved like, you know, like I know this, I know how to do it. I've seen it in the movies. I've seen Titanic and stuff. So I was like, Achha. I know I'm going to do this. I'm going to like be able to do this very easily. And I got so nervous when it was about to happen with this girl. Eventually she just caught me and she said, "What are you doing?" And then she just went for it, and yeah, then it happened. I mean, yeah.
Are we talking same age, or are we talking same age?
She was a year younger.
She was a year younger. So she basically got on to you, and she was the one who, you know, took the initiative.
Yeah, I do believe that women are more mature than men anyway. So, I mean, yeah.
Okay. And moving on.
Okay.
Now, this is a speed dating generation. You think so?
Is this the speed dating generation?
No, especially because
oh yeah,
no. Because especially in Bollywood.
No, I'll tell you what. I don't actually agree with this. I feel I keep hearing this as well from older people that nahi yaar, ye generation to badi fast hai, ye to badi fast hai, ye to badi ye. I remember during the 70s there was this whole hippie movement going on in India. There was this flower power thing. So I think even the older generation went through their own phase and their whole thing, and I think we are kind of figuring out our thing. And honestly, I think the kids today are just way cooler than how the kids used to be earlier.
The hippies were sleepwalking, Varun. The hippies were sleepwalking. Yeah, they were half asleep most of the times. But today, you know, the one love, one life concept of Bollywood is out. It's like 1 month, 1 week, 1 night, 1 dinner. You know, we hear so many different relationships. New films come out, new relationships. What do you think about relationships? Are they here to stay? Like, is that concept out of one life, one love?
No, I honestly feel relationships are awesome, and you need them. If you have to be happy in life, you need to be loved, you need to be nurtured, and you need people that care for you and who stand by you through thick and thin and through bad times and good times. So I'm someone who really believes in relationships, whether they are friendships that happened to me when I was in junior KG. I'm still friends with the same friends till date. There's this friend of mine called Ankit who I call him, like we speak every day on the phone. I call him every morning. He knows everything I'm doing. And that's a friend that I've had since I was in schools in Manikji Cooper, since the first standard. Till now, he's my best friend. And I think that's what life's about. You invest in relationships, you invest in people. That's what
Your
how
first relationship.
My first
Your
relationship.
first relationship.
Like proper relationship.
Yes, proper relationship.
You know, when I was in school, I never wanted to get into a relationship because I was like, you know, I'm not stable enough, I'm not mature enough, and I keep liking another girl every week or whatever. But my first relationship was when I was in college, in HR college. I started dating this girl, and that went on for like 4 months or so, and then she kind of cheated on me, and
Wow. So wait over here. How did you take that? When somebody cheated on you, how did you take it?
so I mean, growing up in a Hindi film family, I was pretty filmy. So I still remember the time when that happened. I wanted to go through heartbreak because I would always listen to this. Like as an artist, there are 9 emotions, and to get that one emotion, you have to get your heart broken. I was a kid, man. I was like 14. I was 16 or something. So I was like, so now this has happened. Now what do I do? And I would just go and stand under the shower and let the water fall on me. I would wash my face, and I would look at myself because I was like, you know, if I have to, I knew I wanted to be an actor, so I was like, I have to use this emotional memory someday in a scene, and I have to get this thing back. But the girl messed it up, yeah, because then she left that guy, and then she wanted to come back to me, and I was like, no, don't do this, don't mess with my emotional memory because I need this memory to act. Don't make me go back to you now.
Good thing there were no camera phones. I'm sure you would have taken a video in the shower that time. Okay, we've got some questions for Love Guru, Varun Dhawan. There are some questions I know in the audience.
I have to choose.
No. Who has the mic?
Acha, the guys who've got a sign.
Over there.
Come on. आप लोग पूछ लो, आ जाओ.
Delhi, don't be quiet. Make some noise. Come on.
Come. What's your name?
Rishabh.
And Rishabh, and what's your name?
Rahul, sir.
Rahul. So what question you'll want? I mean, what question you want to ask about love advice? I don't know what I can give you all. You're a blank?
Yeah, my legs are shivering right now. Actually, I'm a very big fan of yours.
Thank you,
I'm
man.
following you from past three years.
Thank you.
And
So you didn't like my first movie, that means.
thank you so much.
Thank you. But ask some question now that we've got you on. कुछ भी पूछ ले.
Not a question, but a request. Okay. Please dialogue. Okay. Please do a dialogue of your movie. मैं तेरा hero.
मैं तेरा hero. Okay.
Okay, they want a dialogue. We're going to do a medley of dialogues. Start with Students of the Year. Give me Badlapur. Let's have Dishum. Let's have ABCD2. What do you say? We need 4. We need 3 or 4. Come on.
Let's just do, we'll do Main Tera Hero and we'll do Dishum. The 2 ones at the top of my head. So, Main Tera Hero, there's this famous dialogue. I don't know how many parents will like it, but I'm going to say it. Do you know which one I'm talking about? Okay. मैं दिखता हूँ स्वीट इनोसेंट स्वामी टाइप का. मैं दिखता हूँ स्वीट इनोसेंट स्वामी टाइप का, लेकिन एक्चुअली बहुत बड़े.
And the second dialogue. We need a second dialogue.
The second one is from Dishum, where I tell a 6'1" John Abraham, who's like 3 times my size. I tell him, देख कबीर, तू मुन्ना भाई होगा, लेकिन मैं सर्किट नहीं हूँ. तू बैटमैन होगा, लेकिन मैं बर्डमैन नहीं हूँ. तू हीरो होगा, लेकिन अब मैं भी हीरो हूँ.
Now, let me tell you, Varun does a very good John Abraham impression. Who wants to see? John Abraham impression. Varun.
John, I can imitate John in the gym because that's where I would meet him the most. And John would keep talk about because the film's called Dishum, and while we were shooting, he would just like he would use me like the prop, and he was like, you know, when the trailer comes out, we have to just, boom, just go for it. And Baba, now, you know, lifting this, just get the bicep. Then yeah, that's the form. That's the form, Baba. Yeah.
Talking about fitness, moving on to another subject, the art of fitness. There's so much pressure now, you guys. You know, it's criminal. This six-pack generation.
I agree with you. I'm not denying this.
Guys now have this complex that if you don't have a six-pack, you don't have a girlfriend, effectively.
No, I don't think that's true. Yeah, is that true?
No, it's not true. But that's the perception that you guys create.
I honestly feel that women are more attracted to a person's personality than just the exterior, because eventually we're all going to get old, and then what?
Achha, but how hard do you have to train? Who wants to see Varun six packs?
Okay, listen. I've just had I've had a conversation with Rajdeep Sardesai, and he said there's no space for nudity. Also, actually, today is Mr. Narendra Modi's birthday. So, actually, it is.
Varun wants a special.
It's our Prime
special
Minister's birthday. So, I'm not going to sing, but I thought we can do something really special. You have your phone?
I don't have my phone. But everybody, take your phones out.
Okay, so what we are going to do is...
Take your phones out, please.
You know, when I was in school, I would hear this term a lot, Anguta chap, Anguta chapi, Anguta chap. And I think today, and that means that someone who uses their thumb to sign for things. But I think today we are in a new India, and the new Indian uses his thumb not to sign for things, but to sign in. And our Prime Minister is someone who's ushered in the digital age for this country. And I think we have to give respect to that man for that. And so let's take our thumbs, because of finger touch technology. Let's put all our phones on.
Everyone, take out our phones, please.
Put on all your lights, everyone in the auditorium. If everyone can put their phones on with all the lights.
Yeah.
And just wave them all around. Can we get someone to shoot this? We just want to say, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mr. Narendra Modi Sahab. Thank you for being an amazing, amazing Prime Minister. Thank you, guys.
Okay, let's sing together.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mr. Modi.
Prime Minister, thank you.
So bummed out because I didn't get my phone on in this excitement, and I would have just taken a selfie right now. And
that was pretty cool.
Missed this moment.
Carrying on with our fitness. Carrying on with our... Yes. Carrying on with our fitness mantra, Varun. Now there's a push-up challenge. There's a push-up challenge with Varun Dhawan. And Varun's gonna do a one-handed push-up. Who can do a one-handed push-up? Do we have?
I'm not choosing anyone. I'm getting very worried.
We'll choose.
You choose.
Okay, we've got our young contenders.
Young India.
Round of applause. Round of applause. Come on, Delhi. Come on. Put your hands together. Okay, Varun. So, the perfect push-up. Yeah.
Okay. So the perfect push-up is something where you need to kind of make sure that when you get your arms out, you don't get your elbow sticking out this way. You always have your elbow which bends backwards this way. And you get it out like probably a couple of, just a little bit far away. I don't know how I'm going to talk and do a push-up together. I think you'll have to help me. Perfect push-up is something like this. You have to even get your ass a little bit up and in a correct position. And then you go down together. And you come up together. You go down together. And you come up together. You can even do a one-hand.
One hand now.
One hand, one like that. since we are here and I'm on a stage and I mean, I'm an actor and now I have to show off a little bit, so I'm going to show something else.
Nice. T-shirt almost came off, so take it off only, na?
Like I said, Rajdeep said behind that.
No, he
not
did.
allowed.
That's a lie.
Rajdeep
He's
is
been
not
in
allowed.
Jhansi shooting for Badrinath Ki Dulhania, so he's had a lot of kachoris, he told me earlier. That was good.
I had a lot of kachori in Kota actually.
Kota.
Kota is known for three things. One is K for Kota, K for kachori, and K for coaching, because there's a lot of coaching classes over there.
Okay, we have these two young gentlemen over here. Come. Join us on the stage. Oh, there are more.
Hi, how are you?
This is for the push-up challenge.
Thank you so much. Hi. Kaise ho?
This is not a selfie challenge, it's a push-up challenge.
Okay,
Okay,
we'll take a selfie, but
Please.
just let's first take a push-up. Come.
let's finish the
Come,
challenge. Come.
We'll take. I think everyone only wants a selfie. Which school do you guys are from? Which school?
Vasant Valley.
Vasant Valley. What about you?
Vasant Valley.
A lot of people here from Vasant Valley. Think so. आप कौन से कॉलेज में हो?
Right now working in American Express.
आप काम कर रहे हो? Very good. Okay,
Chalo,
so
let's get to it.
So let's see whoever, because it's a selfie challenge. I mean, we'll
push-up
whoever
challenge.
does the most push-ups can get a selfie then.
You have to do the push-ups with them, Varun. This is cheating. Chalo. They can not do as many as you, so let's see. Chalo. Or maybe they can. You in the center? Everybody make some noise. They're going to... What are you doing, Delhi? Come on. Give it up. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. We need an ambulance. Is there an ambulance nearby? 30. Oh my God. 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Can we have some glucose for this guy? Very well done. Very well done. Chalo. Let's go.
You know, actually, I want to say this, that I'm actually an actor. I mean, I've come and spoken about love, spoken about fitness. कोई मेरे एक्टिंग के बारे में पूछता है क्यों?
चलो एक्टिंग के बारे में पूछते हैं.
कुछ तो पूछ ले.
Let's talk about films. Badlapur. Love that film.
Thank you.
Tremendous performance. Can we have a round of applause for that film, please? Very different film. Good performance. Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Sriram Raghavan. Very cool film. ABCD 2 as well. You danced really well. Super duper hit. Dilwale. In 2016, if Shah Rukh Khan's name is Kali in a film, why would you sign that film?
Because nowadays too many fairness cream ads come out, and I keep hearing this that nobody believes in fairness. So we said we'll name him Kali.
You name him Kali. But do you think that was a mistake? You didn't need to do that film. I mean, it was like paying respect to Shah Rukh being his sidekick in a film.
I'll see. I'll never say that film was a mistake. Having said that, because I think Rohit Shetty is one director who's entertained the audience for years and years, and he's done so many good films as well, where a lot of family audiences have gone. I mean, we're talking about Shah Rukh Khan, man. Come on. He's from Delhi itself. He's a super duper star. I think he's an amazing actor. And maybe a lot of people didn't like that film. I'll even go to this extent and say that probably I wasn't at my best in that film. I could have done way better in that film, and I could have acted better. And but at the end of the day, see, the film didn't lose money for a lot of people. like nowadays what's been happening, I think our film industry is going through, economically it's going through not a very great period. And I think as an industry, we need to get our act slightly together and make sure that people come in more for content, more for performances, and more for films that they want to see and they feel proud about to watch.
Were you a little depressed after Badlapur, getting into the skin of the character? Heavy role.
Yeah, a little bit, I think, because shooting that film, shooting in the locations that we shot it in, was very different from everything I had done earlier. And just understanding the mindset of a man who's lost his family is very traumatic, I think. I believe this, that when a man has a child and he's married, that family means everything to him. That's his everything. He's not worried कि मेरा promotion ये होगा, मेरी salary. For him, he's earning for his child, he's earning for his wife, he's living for his family, you know. Their happiness is his happiness. So if someone takes that away, or if they are out of the equation, then living is like hell.
Okay, now on to dancing. Talking about dancing, we have a huge fan of yours.
Okay.
Who wants to dance with you.
Okay.
Sorry guys, there's one chosen one, Varun's biggest fan. And she's going to dance with you.
Okay,
are you ready?
I have no idea.
There she is.
Hi, how are you? How's it going?
Make some noise, Delhi, come on.
How's it going? What's your name?
Varun's going to dance, come on.
Alicia. How are you, Alicia? What song do you want to dance on? Don't choose a very difficult song.
Okay, give it up. Big round of applause. Come on, Delhi. Come on. She is your biggest fan.
Thank you, Alicia. Thank you. You stay in Delhi?
No.
Where are you from?
Bhilai. From Bhilai.
From, oh wow, you're from Chhattisgarh.
Yes.
Oh nice. How long does it take you to get here? 2 hours? 2 hours. So you know, I discovered something very recently. First time in my life, I shot in Kota and in Jhansi. And one thing, okay, before you all come up here, I want to just say, I just want to say one small thing. And this is what I've experienced staying in a city like Bombay, and I'm guessing all of you all staying in Delhi also. I feel sometimes that, you know, staying in Mumbai, I'm not very connected with the things that are happening in the rest of the country. I don't mean that politically, but I mean that lifestyle-wise, what people are thinking, what the youth is thinking. And I believe that as an actor, you should know that. So when I did shoot in Jhansi, or I did shoot in Kota, what I did realize that most of these kids staying in these smaller towns and smaller centers are way more intelligent than the kids staying in the city. You know, and something that we should feel very proud of, you know, as Indians. Staying in big towns, we have all the luxury, we have multiplexes, we have malls. Those kids don't have so much, but yet, you know, they're striving really hard and they want to move ahead. So I think as the youth who's sitting over here, and I only mean that to all you school kids over here who are over here, we should try and connect more with these towns. And in fact, instead of going for holidays, trying to go for holidays outside the country, we should try and visit parts within our country. And honestly, it's an incredible country. It's really beautiful.
Big round of applause. Thank you very much for joining us. Thank you. Have a seat. I want to ask you about your female fans. There's a female fan frenzy about Varun Dhawan, Heartthrob. Is it a crazy fan encounter that you can tell us about? That you know, you were surprised or shocked?
I was honestly really shocked after I did my first film, after I did Student of the Year, and it happened for the first time. It was really shocking. But I think as an actor, you cannot take your stardom or your success very seriously, because every Friday, things change, you know, honestly. Every Friday, things change. And honestly, all this is there because of one thing, and that's cinema. And like I said, I'm here to be an actor, whether it's doing comic roles, whether it's doing action roles, whether it's doing dance roles. I'm here to evoke an emotion in an audience when I'm out there near them. So, I mean, all this love and adulation means the world to me, and I respect it. And believe me, I'm going to work really hard to make sure that it's always going to be there.
We've got one question right over there for you.
Hi, sweetheart. How are you?
I love you so bad.
I love you too. How are you?
My question is, how can I make a guy like you fall in love with me?
How?
The question is, how can she make a guy like him fall in love with her?
How do we do that? I honestly think you're really, really cute. And I don't know how I'd fall in love with you, but I'm sure we can be friends.
Yes, please,
So-
please.
So,
I love that.
what's your name?
Sana.
Sana?
Yeah.
Will you be my friend? Can we be
Yes,
friends?
for life.
For life? Okay, for life. That means you can't like any other actor besides me now.
What?
That means you can't like any other actor besides me now.
Right, I will
Done.
not. Done.
Done.
Thank you.
Lots more waiting. So this female fan frenzy we were talking about. How do you handle it?
For me, like I said, for me, I love all of them. I really, I get really overwhelmed as well with it throughout when I see it as well, and it means a lot to me. Hi. Okay, let her come on. Let her come on.
Guys, control yourself. Control yourself. Guys, this is not the way. Please control yourselves. Varun is here.
Okay, guys, you all need to calm down. Just give me 2 minutes. I can't. Okay, guys, it's not possible for me to take a selfie with. I'll come and take a selfie. I'll just need to calm down for 2 minutes, but once. Push your stage away. Okay, guys.
All right, guys, Varun will have to leave. Come on, we need to have some semblance of order. Come on, guys. No, please get back. Everything was going off really smoothly. We know we love Varun, but we can't love him like this. Come on. I request all the girls, please go back. Varun will have to leave then. Guys, please. Let's keep this fun. Let's keep this nice. Okay, come on. Yeah, come on. Let's keep this nice. Come on. I really request the girls, no, please get back. I will have to ask our guests to leave then. And that's not polite. Please get back. No arguments, please get back. Let's not make this ugly. Come on, we were having so much fun. Okay, please settle down. Settle down. Yeah, you can wave out from there. That's nice. Like, you can all wave out from there. Varun, they can all wave out from there. Okay, come on. Nice waves, all happy, everyone smiling. Let's not make this ugly, guys.
Listen,
Come on.
I honestly don't want anyone to cry, and if I could, I would. I swear I would take a selfie with each one of you all.
No,
but
no
it's not,
crying. No,
it's not
no.
humanly possible. We'll be setting some kind of a Guinness Book World Record, I think, if
Can we
if
please
one
have you
person
girls
takes.
seated?
So please.
I will not, the session will not begin till you are not seated. Please settle down. No, I request you, please sit down. I'm requesting you.
Sorry.
You'll have to wait, ma'am, please.
Guys, please settle down now. We have to start this.
We are wasting time. Come on.
Don't you want to listen to Varun? Come on. Okay, round of applause. Come on. Everything is under control now. You promise? Promise, make some noise. Thank you. No more questions on female fan frenzy and all because it didn't work out well for us. Okay, now, Varun, this latest, as I was talking about speed dating thing, in the industry, at least it's very rampant. New film, new relationship. Is it like that in the industry with actors?
You know, I honestly feel it's not just the film industry. I think that's the way the world is moving today, and that's where the world is moving today. If you ask me whether it's right or wrong, I honestly don't have an answer. I think it's really amazing that when you have a relationship with one person and then that goes on, it's nurtured, and you form a good base for that.
What is your mantra?
What's my
What is
mantra?
Varun Tharav's mantra?
That you have one person in my life and be committed to that one person.
Do you have that one person in your life that you're committed to in your life?
Do I have that one person in my life? I think I've had that one person for a long time, and
Okay.
I think that's my mother. I love her a lot. No, honestly,
Yeah, ये
I,
cheating वाले answer नहीं चाहिए ना यहाँ पे. Please.
what's the question? You asked me.
The
directly, I'll
question
tell you.
is, do you have a special someone in your life, as in a life partner situation
I don't know if
building up?
I don't know if I have a life partner as in.
But
yet.
a partner.
I mean, because I've not decided to get married.
Yeah.
But there is someone that I really care about.
There is someone. Okay. And may I inquire who is that someone? If you can tell me.
That I can't tell you.
There you can't tell me. Okay, very got it. But also this today's generation, you know, Instagram, Facebook. We've heard big Bollywood stars being depressed. You know, is loneliness also something that you have to tackle? Even as a big star, for the young kids over here, you know, because we spend most of our time on Instagram, Facebook.
No,
You know,
I
there's no
honestly
real
feel-
relationships
I
anymore.
honestly feel that life outside social media is also really exciting. I think it gets a bit too much. Earlier, I remember when I was a kid, and if I would see like Salman Bhai shooting and all, people were just happy to just meet him or talk to him, and I would love to do that as well. Like actually have a conversation with someone who likes watching my films and talk to them and find out what their lives are like or whatever. But it becomes difficult because like the word selfie, and I think somewhere celebrities are only to blame for it because we click so many of ourselves, so many pictures ourselves. So we are to blame for that itself. But somewhere I think it's a little unhealthy as well. The amount, if the obsession goes to another level, it's nice to like have a chat, to talk like that, to see everyone like, and not see them through pictures. Life is really beautiful if you don't have to just see them through pictures or just on your phone screen.
Okay, big round of applause for Varun Dhawan.
Yes. All right. I would also like to call on stage Group Editorial Director, Broadcast and New Media, Ms. Kalipuri, to kindly come on the stage. A big round of applause. Come on, people.
Round of applause, guys.
Let's
Come
go for
on.
Natalie.
Give it up. Make some noise, Delhi. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Thank you. But can we throw this? But before we go, I think let's just do a video with the crowd. Yeah. Actually, can we dim the lights and do the phone thing one more time? Can we dim the lights and everyone put on their phone lights?
Take your phones
as well,
out
as
once
well?
again.
Can we dim the
Varun
lights?
wants a selfie with everyone,
Wow.
so he's gonna click.
That's absolutely breathtaking. Beautiful sight.
Come on, guys, make some noise!
Scream, Delhi.
Okay, guys, because I couldn't take a selfie with all of you all, but I've got it all on my camera as well. So everyone in Delhi, on 1, 2, 3, make some noise! Thank you guys, thank you India Today, thank you Mind Rocks, this really means a lot to me. And this is really special. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to come here and do this. And yeah, we're going to throw this, and hopefully no one is going to scream, no one is
We
going
got
to
some
cry.
signed t-shirts.
No one's going to cry.
Okay, no fighting. Calm down. Calm down.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. One last time. Let's hear it for Varun
Thank
Dhawan.
you, guys. Thank you, everyone who's sitting in the back as well. It really means a lot to me. So take this opportunity and tell. Just want to tell Mr. Rahul Kanwal that.
Rahul sir.
Just want to say a big fan. Thank you for doing what you do over the years. Seen you since I'm really young. I've grown up, but you still look the same. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Varun. Thanks a ton. Thank you.